Hey, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are at. What's up? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? How's the market treating us this morning? Oops, I gotta get this pulled up on my phone. Let me see. Can anybody hear me loud and clear? What's up? What's up? Hey, Rapid, Captain Rex. All right, let me get this pulled up so I can see the comments on the phone. Hey, so anybody that was on the stream last night, we talked about, it looked like the market was, getting close to a turn point, at least a little bounce, and we bounced all the way up to almost new all-time highs. Pretty insane. Pretty insane. Yeah, I'm all right. Hey, Adam, I'm all good. All good. I am good. I'm still alive. I already got my morning exercise in, so we's good. Waves are pretty big. Actually, today a little bit smaller today. Like the biggest wave today was probably 10 foot. Average 6 to 8 foot. So up and down, up and down, up and down. I took one more trade from last night after, before I went surfing this morning. So that was all good. So I've had one trade this morning. The rest were all taken last night. Yeah, I don't look the same. Yeah, I know. I look much more handsome now. Got a consistent look. I don't even have to shave every day now. Whew, my assistant's taking care of all of that for me. Oh, I do need to go ahead and gotta check something real quick. Where's we at? Just looking around. Where are we in the view app? So it looks like we came up to a second deviation band. So view apps are pretty far below us. Are we going to make a run back down there? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Adam. That's partially true. Yep. Every morning I'm going surfing too. So I've been a lot of exercise. I've been burning 3,000 to 5,000 calories a day. Pretty insane. No, I've been fishing too much. I do want to go look at some of the volume profiles real quick. We look at the 4 hour on NASDAQ. Look, it looks like we're getting ready to go ahead and pop and make a new all-time high. NASDAQ 4 hour, or I'm sorry, ES 4 hour right there by it as well. We did hit value area high from last week. And did we actually make it? I don't think we quite made it into it. Let's go double check this real quick. So last night, here was the zone that I was talking about. We just didn't quite make it. Yeah, I probably do sound different. It's a different mic, different whole PC setup. Well, it's kind of funny. I'm streaming and the stream's getting broadcasted through the same PC. Just there's multiple PCs involved here. Well, break 76.32. It may. Look right here. That's a pretty good push up. Did we just complete an ABC pattern on the way up, though? Fibonacci extension. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I did not pick the right thing. I didn't do it again. It's the one with the hotkey, dummy. There we go. So we go something like this. We did. We smashed 100% level. No, hey, Mechanoble, believe it or not, it's not. Like, nothing has went the way I had planned it. We'll just say that. Nothing has went the way I've planned it. But see, NASDAQ trying to push up here a little bit more. I am kind of curious. Where are we with the gamma levels? So on the NASDAQ, one day max is somewhere around 30,950. And on the ES, but right there at that GEX 1 at the moment, we have call resistance at 76.50. Yeah, I can't stop, won't stop. So I was talking to the guy, man. He's you can see NASDAQ new session highs is at new all-time highs. Let's see, all-time high is 693. So we're almost there. Almost there. I was talking with the guy that used to work as an institutional trader for many years. Now he does it for himself. But he was talking about the whole Google news yesterday and how that's going to be, how he thinks it's going to be good for the hardware stocks. So when does the market ever get a pullback? You know, it's going to come at some point. When? We're going to be coming up on contract rollover next Friday. Next Friday into the following Monday after that. So we'll have to wait and see. Do we dare look for a retracement back down towards around 76.10 on the ES? Or even 580-ish on the NASDAQ? Yeah, I don't know yet. I don't know the answer yet. I need to get a chance to get my bearings. I want to go ahead and change the trade detector bubbles. There we go. Yeah, stocks looks overextended. Yeah, but you know, they just keep on pushing these darn markets. Like it's kind of insane. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up TradingView real quick. Let's get TradingView up. And what screen is this on? So this needs to come. Oh, I need to go over with it first. The musical chairs I have to do to get these screens moved around is ridiculous. But it's all good. Dang it. Not quite there yet. We're almost there. Let's see. All right, let me come down here. All right, now we can bring it over. So last night, when we were streaming last night, you can say, hey, what's up, what's up? You can see that the Nikkei was down huge. Well, it closed out only down 200 points. HSI was up 640. We have the DAX up 121. The CAC right now is up 67. Volatility index, though, is only up 4 cents as we're near all-time highs. Hey, Trader 007, what's up? Hello. So that's kind of, you know, has me scratching my head here a little bit. Bitcoin, wow, Bitcoin's down. Wow, Bitcoin's at 67. Woo. Look at it go. Bitcoin's giving it up a little bit. Wow. Very interesting. With the Bitcoin. But let's go look at the SMH. How's SMH doing? Wow, new all-time highs on SMH. Up 3.68%. What about sector-wise? Let's go look through the sectors. What do we have? XLC is down. XLF barely down. XLV and XLY down. Everything else up. All right. We did get a trade detector bubble up here. Do I dare? Look for a little micro trade to fade it. I don't know. Yeah, I think we just broke the all-time high in the NASDAQ. 693. Yeah, 697. So new all-time highs. We just made it. You'll send me a chart, but it's old news now. I can send it over, T-Coop. We'll see. We shall see. Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, it's a great time to smash the lucky like button. Which I gotta go change these settings real quick. There we go. And all right. Oh, yeah, 25Ks, you don't have to make as much as you're doing the 50K to pass. And then you get to the payout. So 50K account, you got to make $3,000 to pass. And then $2,000 to get over the buffer. With a 25K account, $3,000 passes the account, then also gets you over the buffer. 1,500 to pass, 1,500 for the buffer, and you're good. Yeah, not stupid market. It's like nice market, nice market. New all-time highs on the NASDAQ again. Let's see, is the ES also making new all-time highs? ES is struggling a little bit up here compared to NASDAQ. Hey, Kim, how many days are allowed for what? Hey, Raj, good morning or good afternoon. Yeah, DAX was up over 325. Yeah. Hey, Raj. Hey, when we were talking last night on the stream, how it looked like the move was pretty close to being done on the NASDAQ, we were right. Man, I really wish I would have went long at the end and just held that overnight. That could have been a big, big day. Oh, to be approved for a funded account, you have to trade with Take Profit Trader for 5 days. 5 trading days. So if you average that out, if you average $300 a day in a 25K account, you would pass in 5 days. Double top on the Russell without confirming it. Yeah. No. Hey, Kim. No, 1,500 in 5 days. And then if you make, then on the 6th day, if you make another 1,500, you can start requesting payouts. Anything over 1,500 would be your money. So that's a beautiful thing. I still feel a little bit waterlogged this morning. Yeah, hey, Raj, I hope so. I'm going to try to trade all the way until the close today. Unless I decide to go do this boat tour. I haven't decided yet. I kind of want to do a boat tour so I can film it and show my daughter and stuff. No, hey, John, I have no idea. Jesse said in the past that he used to see it said YouTube featured. I have no idea what that means. I have no idea. But I don't know. We got a long ways to hit the 100,000 subscriber mark. I don't even know where I'm at for subscribers, honestly. Hey, T Coop just sent me over an email. I want to see what it looks like. Oh, wow. So 75.70 and 76.20 on the SPX. All right, hold on. Let's go look at that again. So let me we'll pull over the SPX real quick. SPX. Hold on, I gotta go back and look at that again. 76.20. Where are we at right now? We're at 76.13, so 20 is a little bit higher. Nice. Hey, John, good job on that. I'll give you the clap sound, but oh, hold on. Woo! I have to do the manual clap. I can't do the sound effect board. And to the downside, what we said downside was 75.70. 75.70. Isn't even much of a pullback when you think about it. You got a short M&Q? Hey, I was thinking about that, Raj, too. I was thinking about possibly doing that, but I haven't decided yet. I'm trying just to get my bearings real quick. I see the ES is struggling here just a little bit. Oh, we already hit 76.20 exactly? Oh, nice. Well, hey, T Coop, you think we're going to go down to 75.70 then? What happens since the last 2 days? I got a hot mess going on. Missing internet cables, and it's a hot mess. Hot mess. Going surfing every day. So, fun. Definitely got a lot of exercise for sure. Man, my shoulders and my upper back is screaming at me. But so it is nice though, getting up early. I mean, this morning went out surfing at 5 in the morning. We're in the water at 5. So yesterday we're in the morning really early, like 4 something. So I don't know. I gotta believe that I've lost a little bit of weight. I don't I don't know though. I don't have a scale, but I believe I've probably lost a few pounds. You know, you burn 3,000 to 5,000 calories per day. I mean, I'm not eating like I normally do, so I would think we're gonna lose some weight, but we'll see. The other NASDAQ trying to pull back here a little bit. Progression channel still sloping upward. But we talked about this a minute ago. We saw the ES is having a little bit of problem. We already smashed the ABC target. I'm kind of curious. Was this all-time highs? Ooh, 32. I think we missed it. We missed it by one tick. 7,600 is SPX Gamma Flip. Oh, let's get it. Let's see if we can get it. Can we get that little flipperooski going? Hopefully. That'd be nice. Very nice. Really stinks I don't have my magical mute button right here, but give me a second. I'm going to get it. All right, I'm back. We should do a poll. Let's see. Let's see if I can put this poll together. Let's see. Mr. Poll. We're going to try to do a poll. Let's see what you guys think. All right, the poll is going to be, will the ES and NQ close green or red today? What do you guys think? Let us know in the chat. What do you guys think? Poll is in the chat. Hey, Jesse. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, Jesse, you still done for the day from that screenshot you sent me? Hello, Nightbot. Green, baby, green. You gotta try to short. Just be careful. Shorting here, new all-time highs is a little bit dangerous. Just a tip. Oh boy. Oh boy. New all-time highs on the NASDAQ again. Smashing those all-time highs. Let's see. So we got about 4 hours till the market closes. Hey, Jesse, you should have used the lockout feature. Lock it out. We'll see if the ES is going to go up there and hit all-time highs as well, like the NASDAQ. See if it's going to play catch-up. I really, really, really badly want to go ahead and short this, but I'm scared. I'm scared. See, here's a low last night. We barely missed my zone last night, one of my zones on the NASDAQ. We're talking about this in stream. We missed it by a few ticks, and then, whoop, all the way up. Lockout features your new favorite feature. Yeah, a lot of traders really like it. It helps them out quite a bit. So, all right, there we go. New all-time highs. Yes, not yet. NASDAQ still clicking away new all-time highs, though. So I don't really want to. I don't want to force it here. I don't want to short it and force it. And I don't want to go long up here. Figure if I just wait long enough, I'll get my opportunity I'm looking for. Shorting the Dow. Hey, trading game. Hola. Buenos dias. Or at least for me, it's Buenos dias. Maybe not for you, where you're at. Now we got to see weakness first before we can sell it. That's the problem. We're just not seeing any weakness. Unfortunately. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget. Or you can always smash that lucky like button. Looks like the Dow is sitting right up about $100 for the day, 100 points. I'm kind of curious. We're almost at the second deviation band. We're not quite there yet. NASDAQ has another fast little squeeze up. Maybe I'll short it then. So we break this high and have a little bit of force with it when we break it. Maybe I'll look for a short. Yeah, nothing on the left side is reference. Clear blue skies up ahead. That's it. Clear blue skies. We going, we going, we going. The markets only go higher. So we shall see. All right, we're going to make another high again. Yeah, it'd be so much easier just to go ahead and buy that, but I don't want to be the guy buying all-time highs. So I'll end up being the top tick. 755, 748, the 50 are major SPY levels. 7 billion delta. 750 SPX would be 7510-ish. Elevated Life, what's up? I'll work on 9 count SPY QQQs SPX on the weekly charts. It's kind of funny. The other guy that trades, that's here at the surf camp, he trades primarily off weekly charts. I'm like, wow. So he's been doing pretty good so far on the trip on some of his trades. He just hit target on some of them, loaded up some more last night. Are we going to finally crack it? No, he doesn't day trade. He said he sucks at day trading. He's better at a little bit longer term swing trading. So day trading, he sucks. He doesn't know how he do it. He goes, I don't know how you can do that. He goes, I get too stressed out. So, yeah, everybody has their own way. There's multiple ways to make money in the markets. No, one way doesn't fit everybody. I want to see if we're going to get a rejection up here or not. Because right now we have 2 consecutive untested point of controls on the weekly. Yeah, you should watch the stream. Yeah, I didn't even tell him I have a stream. I usually don't tell people. Let's see. We might be able to get a little something to the downside there. Now, I like the location. If this is gonna try to go down, this is a decent location for that to occur. Problem is, we're right here at all-time highs. That's the problem. Hey, Benjamin, what's up? What's up? I went ahead and shorted the NASDAQ real quick. I'm trying to get back to the screen. So I did short it. We'll see if I end up getting stopped out or not. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. I want to try to see if I can. Oops, wrong chart. All right, we had the developing value area high. Kind of a little low volume node right there as well. So 646-ish, maybe. I need it to turn down first. Oh man, hey, good job on that, Sam. 36 green days. Nice. We start coming back down. I'm going to move my target lower, but right now it doesn't seem to matter. So I still like that area. We'll see if we spike the high one more time. I'll give it one more shot. 5-minute close below 692. We'll see if we get it. Right now, we're just slowly grinding up. Grind, grind, grind. Push, push, push. That's all we do. It's all the market does. So, unfortunately. But I'd like to see if we can, if I can. Got a little low volume node right here. Right near the developing value area high. So, yeah, I'd like that idea, John. Look above failure, come above it, and then start coming back down. I don't mind that idea. I can't say that I disagree with it one bit. I do like it. All right, I got back in. John talked me into it. If it doesn't work, it's John's fault. He's like, it's definitely got to go down. So I want to go down to, what was that price target, that low volume node? Again, low volume node, 649-ish, 649. 649. So I'm going to front run that 649 by a few points. Just a smidge. CL marching higher. Yeah, you know, that sucks because I don't want crude oil to go up because of gas prices, but I want crude oil to go up so the market will go down. Hey, Jose, what's up? What's up? No, hey, Jose, it's not recorded. This is live. Live and in action. I have the recording already set whenever it sees a comment to say this is live, though. So is it really live? No, I'm just joking. It really is. It's really live. If we can go down there to that target, that's going to be a banger of a trade. We do, but I'm not looking for a huge short here. I mean, it looks big on the way that the screen scaled over here, but in the context, it's not really a big short. NASDAQ's still up 130 at the time being at this point. Joker's going to stop me out again. I see it coming. I see it coming. If I get stopped out, it's all John's fault. Hyper realistic blonde. That's funny. That's my AI assistant working. He's trying to tell you guys, you know, what the market's doing, but it's like we can't hear him. He's having a good old time all by himself. He's like, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, fun some hearing aids. Come on, let's get it. 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 Come on down there. Hit my target, baby. Hit it. This is going to be a banger. Hey, did it close yet, John? You still got 2 minutes for the close, though, right? Come on. Come on. Come on. Get it. Get it down there, please. Come on down. You can do it. What's the ES looking like? ES isn't really coming down that much on that chart. All right. Let's see. Push. Oh, short term, we're starting to get oversold. See the green background. I'm going to close it. We got into the green background. I don't want to take a chance. We do got a very small trade detector bubble that showed up over here as well. So I'm not really a fan of that small trade detector bubble way below the lower regression channel and getting to be oversold. And we have delta divergence over here as well. So I'll gladly accept that win. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. That does put me at new session highs for the day. So, hey, give it up. Woo, gotta clap for myself. Let's go. Let's get it. Now, what I'd like to see is the market bounce up here a little bit, so I feel better about that exit. That would make me feel really good about right now. You know, how's the volume on the speakers too, guys? Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Do I need to juice it up a little bit more? What do you guys think? 'Cause I can't hear how loud I am. It's great. All right, perfect. Clear. All right, perfect. All right, thanks for the feedback, guys and gals. I do appreciate it. Probably gonna hang out a little bit. Oh, you sucker. If it goes down there to 649, I'm gonna cry. I will cry. Boo hoo hoo. Simply gotta sit here and wait for the tides to shift here a little bit today. So, which I think it'll be perfect about the time the market closes. Might mess up my 6 o'clock trade. There we go. Let's get it. Here comes 649. So look, it looks like we had a good call on coming back down towards this low volume node and the developing value area high. I got a good chunk of it. I did not get the whole entire move though. Yes, it's trying to come down, but not nearly as fast, at least on the Renko chart, as the NASDAQ appears to be. But look, I had my target set at 53.75. I would have been filled. So NVIDIA has given up the gains. I haven't even looked at NVIDIA yet. Let's go look at that real quick. Let's go looky. NVIDIA. Oh, there's NVIDIA on a daily. Yikes. Hey, is this going to end up producing a lower high? Is that going to produce a lower high? What about SMH right now? SMH is still way up there. Oh, you know what's really funny too? So well, I was talking with a guy and we were surfing between waves. Hey, he said his best performing investment of the year has been the socks. He's been buying the socks. I'm like, how the heck did you make money? He goes, I guess it was in the beginning of the year. It was pretty hard to believe, isn't it? So he said he's going to show me later on today. I was going to go in and he's going to show me some of his trades and whatnot. So that's pretty funny though. And let's see if the VIX. Is the VIX trying to pop up here a little bit? VIX is still down 3 cents on the session. So no fear in the markets yet. Why would there be, as we make new all-time highs every single day? Or so it seems. So let's get it. Yeah, Soxhole graph's insane. Let's go look at that. The Soxhole graph. Let's go looky. SOXL. Bam. Put that on a daily. Wow, from 30 all the way up here to about 261-ish. I don't know that. I have my Lucid accounts where I could request a payout. And dummy me, I never requested the payout and I blew up the accounts. During this whole market only goes one direction. So can't tell you on that. I know once you pass the eval, you can instantly activate it and trade it live. So if you were to pass a Lucid eval right now, you'd be able to trade that live. We are going to try to do a duck race, but you guys have to bear with me today. It's going to be tough on the duck race. See who's going to win this Lucid account. I'm going to try to do it, but you guys got to bear with me a little bit. I'm going to need a little bit of help today on that. So we'll do a duck race here in a little bit. Give away a free 50K Lucid account. Or maybe we'll give away, we'll give away 2 accounts. Winner one will have their choice. Do they want a 150K Lucid account or do they want a 50K Lucid account? The second place winner of the duck race will get the other account. At least that's the game plan. If I can't clearly see who second place is, and it might be challenging, then I'll do a code drop for the second account. All right, just to be fair about this. So we're going to try to give away 2 Lucid accounts today. So good news is we have less people on the stream, not streaming at the normal time. And so those of you that are actively supporting the channel, well, you guys have a better shot of winning. So that's going to be good for yous to come out and support the channel on a regular basis. So that's going to be fantastic. And I do love it when I see the one of the duck winners is somebody that I see frequently in the chat. That does put a smile on my face. Hope the snag one. Yeah, maybe. I got a video that's going to drop. Actually, Wednesday's video and Thursday's video. We're going to be giving away accounts out of those videos as well. Now, I might not do those drawings until, I don't know, Friday or over the weekend. I haven't decided yet. Saturday's video will also have a free prop account we'll be giving away as well. So next 3 videos, I'm going to be dropping giveaways with those videos. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's see. We're going to break down a little bit more. Let's go back and look at the 30-minute profile real quick. If we can break value area, the developing value area high, can we come back and maybe retest the overnight value area high at 581? If you want to put a smile on your face. Hey, Orlando, I wouldn't be upset with you winning. I see you in the chat quite often. So that would put a smile on my face. We'll both be smiling. Ear to ear, baby. No, hey, YOLO trading. I'm going to try to do winner 1 and winner 2 in the second place in the duck race. Both get an account. Winner 1 gets to choose 150K account or 50K account. The second place in the duck race will get the other account. Now, if I can't clearly see who the second duck was, and that's a possibility, then I will do a code drop. So, you know, I'm working. I got challenging situations to try to make this happen. So you gotta bear with me. So, hey, more of the story. Just make sure your duck's number 1. If you want to secure that free account, make sure your duck is number 1. Looks like stochastics and RSI could go higher. Hey, YOLO trading, not a problem. So right now, NASDAQ's up 94-ish points. And look, now we have the regression channel trying to flatten out here. Is it going to finally turn and start heading down a bit? You really see from about this point on, from about 1140 on, we had a lot more negative delta as we were pushing up. Duck race entry. Hey, to enter the duck race, all you have to do is, it's the first link in the description box down below. Make sure you include your YouTube username that you use on this channel. That way I can figure it out. Who is the winner? And email the correct person. Yeah, last night was pretty fun. And I had a mistake actually work in my favor. Had a little delay pushing trades. I was like, click, nothing happened. Click, nothing happened. Click, 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 click. Oh crap, all the trades piled in. And thankfully it went instantly in my direction. I could close it out. But usually when stuff like that happens, it doesn't go in your favor. So I do want to go check this ES real quick. Yeah, ES is trying to come down here a little bit. We have a low volume node area just above that value area high. You can see it right here on the profile. You know, do we end up getting a rejection to head back up somewhere around this area? Somewhere from about 76.14 to maybe 76.19. Do we get a little bounce and reject back up, take out the highs? Or do we simply melt down and come back towards this structure breakout point, which would look something like this? All right, candle body right here to the candle wick. All right, that'd be 76.10 to about 76.07-ish. I have problems with the camera right now. I can't. Some of my cables got stolen, basically. So that's why I don't have all my monitors hooked up, and it's a hot mess. Hot mess. So trust me, I'd rather have that. The way I wanted to do it just isn't working. So unfortunately, but you know, you gotta. Hold on. Adam's giving me some knowledge here. You can press on the gold cup after the race is done. Really? Hey, so we're gonna try to do a mock-up race real quick. I want to see if that's true. Hey, if that's true, Adam, man, hey, Adam, if that's true, I might have a little gift for you. I might have a little gift for that awesome knowledge. Let me get a duck race pulled up, and we're just gonna run a simulated duck race real quick. I'm not gonna pull anybody's name for it. All right, we'll just run the names that they already have in it. We'll set it for 1 minute. Set in, where did I move this to? Okay, I gotta move it over here. Oh, dang it. I gotta move it down a little bit. Then I can grab it and move it down over here. Then I can come back over here. Let's just go right. I want to see if that's true. If that's true, then it will be winner 1 and winner 2. So we got 4 ducks right here. These are not real ducks. I mean, they're real on the screen, but if any duck wins, it does not give anybody a free count. Just so you, hey, Paul, what's up? What's up? All right, I got to turn this down. Let's see. I probably should have 30 seconds. Let's go see which duck is going to cast this spell. He said there's a trophy button. In the last 30 minutes, you're in trouble with your PAs. Well, that's never a good thing. Because if this is going to be the case, we can guarantee that if Adam was correct, winner 1 and winner 2 will get a spot in the duck race. Hey, Adam, if you're right, I got a little special gift for you. I'll hook you up with 100. I think I'll hook you up with 150K Lucid account for sharing that knowledge with us. My token of appreciation. Okay. Oh, this little guy right here. Let's see. There you go. Man, Adam is so smart. Hey, Adam, thanks for that. So much better. I wish we would have known that ahead of time. So now we will know who is duck number 1 and duck number 2. Look, first, second, third, fourth. I like it. I likes it. I think I might have your email too, Adam. Let's see. Give me a minute. I think you've won something in the past. I think you have. Let's see. Oh yeah, you want to take profit trader account in the past. If this is the right person. So I'm going to respond. Hey, I'm going to respond to an email that I've posted in the past. Hey, type this number in the chat. I want to make sure this was you. Make sure I got the right Adam. Hey, Boss Dog, what's up? Oh, man. Hey, could this be a little bear flag? Here's a flagpole. Here's a flag. Can we get it? Can we do it? We might. We might. Can they do it? Do it. Do it. Do it. Luckiest. $10:30 reversal at 12:30. Hey, Jesse, they're adjusting for my time zone. The market's adjusted for my schedule. Now, if that was only true, we are getting a pretty good little push down. Yes, it's not really going down too much, though. It's 10:30 in California time. Not really. Not yet, John. I don't think it's 10:30 yet in Cali. Hey, Adam, don't forget to check your email. I put a number in there so to do a little 2FA before I send out that Lucid code. Make sure I send it to the right person. I'll hook you up with that 150K Lucid account. And then we're going to be giving away 2 accounts in the duck race. Winner 1 and number 2 are going to get an account. Winner 1 gets to choose. They want a 50K or 150K Lucid Flex account. Winner number 2 gets the leftovers. So we shall see. So I had a pretty good short off the upper end of the range. I'm not sure if I'm doing a night stream tonight or not. Depends. Depends on how late I'm out surfing tonight. And how tired I am. Really takes a lot out of you. And I got to see what time we're going out tomorrow surfing. What time the boat's going to leave. So we shall see. Hey, Adam, did you check your email yet? Hey, Raj, so I thought about, so the captain of the boat is trying to get me to go fishing too. But I'm kind of, I responded back to one of our other email chains. I think I sent it. Yeah, I sent it. I sent it from the other email. All right, hold on a second. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do it from a different email. I resend it. I'll do it from a different email. Paste. And just type in this code in the chat. Hey, Midnight, what's up? Well, let's see. Let's see. Are we going to continue to go down? I will tell you that being I'm gonna get 150K Lucid account for helping me out with the duck race. All right, I know I got the right Adam now. All right. So Adam, let me log in and get that Lucid code real quick for you, and I'm gonna drop it. Actually, Adam, let me ask you this question. Would you prefer, because I don't want to put you in a bad spot, would you prefer a 150K account or a 50K account? Which code would you prefer for helping us out with that duck race? $50. All right. And it doesn't matter to me either way, Adam. So if that's the one you want, I'm cool with that. So let's see. So let me go get that code real quick. Trying to figure it out. Yeah. So you want to try 150. Copy. Hey, it's going to be for a Lucid 150K account. I didn't write any text. I just dropped the code for you. So 100, actually, I should write it. Just make sure you know. Oh. All right, I sent it to you, Adam. Bam. Sent. I don't know what time we're gonna do the duck race. We're gonna do a duck race, but Adam just helped us out. So now we know 100% without a shadow of a doubt who it was. AT Coop, that net drift, what does that mean? That chart that you sent, net drift, what does that mean? No, we're doing a duck race today. So Adam actually helped us out to figure out how to figure out who actually number 2 is. So we're giving away 2 accounts in the duck race. Winner 1 can either get a 50K or 150K account. Winner 2 gets this whatever account number 1 did not choose. Oh, hey, H trades. I didn't see it. I just didn't see it. I wasn't trying to not tell you. I did not know. So sorry about that. Hey, H trades. Here's what I'll do though. I'll throw you in the duck race. So I'll make sure you have a spot in the duck race. Just remind me when we start selecting people. We're gonna use Nightbot, and then I'll throw you in the race as well. Give you a shot. Market's moving a little bit slow. We have the NASDAQ still up 89 points. How do you qualify for the duck race? I'm going to give away a key phrase at some point later on the stream. You just got to type that phrase into the stream, and Nightbot's going to pick out 10 people. I'll probably pick out a handful of people myself that I see normally in the chat. And make sure you sign up to the email list down below. And make sure your email is confirmed. Otherwise, if you win and you're not on the email list, you'll simply forfeit. No, I've been surfing every day. I've already surfed this morning for, I don't know, let's see. For about 4 hours this morning. Yeah, so when you sign up to the email list, they'll send you a confirmation email. Just click on it. Make sure it's your email. And long as you don't take yourself off the list, I don't take you off of it. So there's no need to ever do it again. And I got giveaways from all the videos that from a lot of videos we've been posting recently. Hey Raj, so I got a whole video of me basically walking the plank and doing like a little bungee jump thing. So it's pretty neat. I think I am losing weight. I haven't stepped on a scale, but I feel a lot thinner. Been eating a whole bunch of chicken. Back to the day job. Oh, John's going back to all the fun. Yeah, hey, not a problem. It's going to be a little bit. I'm not doing the duck race yet. I'm still looking for another trade. Waiting to see if we're going to try to bounce back up or if we're going to go down. No, the duck race is going to be on this channel. I've been streaming. I'm not going to be streaming on the other channel for at least the next 2 weeks minimum. So let's see. But the other channel, I don't even remember. Never remember the name. But now if we look at the 30-minute chart, are we gonna be able to get more of a deeper correction? I don't know. Rasha has pushed NQ lower. Let's go. I agree. I don't know if it's gonna happen. So I don't know. Again, the good news is I don't have to force anything. That last trade was a banger, so I don't have to force anything. I will tell you my patience is getting much better. Being down here and getting a lot of exercise and whatnot. I think that's helping out. So I can be pretty darn patient. $46. Hey, Kim, that's not bad. $46 underwater. That's easily to get that back. That's nothing. Last trade was a short on the NASDAQ, Paul. I think somewhere around $500 on it. And then it went all the way down to my target. I got out as we caught into being oversold, and then it would have hit my full target, but I ended up getting out. Yep, I ended up getting out somewhere over here. I was trying to get out at 653. I got out over in this area. I shorted it somewhere over in here. So wasn't a bad trade. It's pretty good. Oh, NASDAQ's trying to go back up. Regression channel is still facing downward. I don't see any trade detector bubbles at the moment. So I can hurry up and wait. No, hey, Raphael, it's just been how the tides have been recently. So It's different. No, hey, so all you have to do is type in the chat, 1 or 2 times, the key phrase I give out, and you should be fine. Nightbot will put you in there. It just randomly selects people. So, all right, look, big push up right here. Trying to break above the upper regression channel. No, I'm on a short board, which is a bear to paddle. It's not the best paddling, but it's really good because I can duck dive under the waves. Those big old bombs that's been rolling through. So I'm actually gonna go down and see if I can get a little bit more leaders in the board. I want a little bit more float. I want a little bit better paddling. So target filled, nice. Hey, good job on that, Apple. But look, as we're coming down over here in the 1 minute, you see the divergence on the delta. So yeah, long boards are way easier to paddle, but when the waves are big, it's not really ideal. Makes it a little bit more challenging on the drop. And the waves we've been riding have been really, really fast. So really fast and really heavy. Yeah, so Apex says 6, I think it's 6 payouts. And then you have to buy an eval over, but now they have a live program, so they may select you to trade live. All right, short term, we are over bot up here. I don't think I want to short that though. Oh, you can see that ES trying to push back up as well. So I'm good. Hurry up and wait. If we go back and run the highs, so be it. I don't feel compelled to have to do anything at the moment. I'm kind of curious though. I would like to know. I should have fired Bookmap up before the stream, but I forgot to. Russell's still up pretty good for the day. Let's go see real quick. Oops, I just messed that up. There we go. Let's go look at the Russell real quick. IWM. Yeah, Russell's still here near the highs of the day. Oh, that's the daily. Yeah, Russell's pulled back a little bit. A little corrective channel on the way down. That's all price does is rip higher. What about DIA? Still up there as well. We're coming up on 1 o'clock here at the moment. So short term, we did get to be overbought up here. It just looks like we want to break, make new all-time highs again. In all reality. Hey, Raphael, what do you mean ABB? What is that? What is ABB? All right, I went ahead and shorted the NASDAQ again. We'll see. Is this going to be good or not? was up on initially, trying to play off this overbought area. Little delta divergence up here as well. Oh, Airbnb. No, I didn't see it yet. I think that's going to be tomorrow. We're going to see it. The one I might rent out for months at a time. I actually look at purchasing a place too. So we're going to see. We're still above the upper regression channel right here. Let's see if we can get a little dip lower. Come on. Yeah, JD, having a good time. Not really liking that. Get a little nervous here. We might pop up. Getting a little bit nervous. I don't have my hotkeys either. I keep trying to reach for my hotkey. I don't have it. So. I move my stop in the money. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'll see if we can break that 200 EMA if we're going to bounce. What's it going to be? It doesn't matter. It's going to stop me out. I'm going to kill it. It's going to stop me out. So I killed it before it can stop me. So I made a couple ticks on it best. That depends. I trade at night. I still trade the open. Sunday and Monday is open. So I put a trade on before I went in the water today. let it rip. Or actually let it dip. Had a short on this morning on the ES. And thankfully I didn't overstay my welcome. We dipped down a little bit. It was just enough to get me out, and then whoop, put the trade on somewhere over in here. Then went down and got me in. Took off. I didn't go for too big of a move though. So thankfully. We had a pretty good turn last night. We were on the stream last night. We had this turn take place and we bounced. Kept talking about it. Looked like it was a little bit overextended. So it's gonna be funny. We wake up in the morning and see that everything's up. That's been the MO for a week at night. Wake up in the morning, it's like it never happened. 30,917. Oh boy. Roger's calling for much higher prices. Wow. Probably a good thing I got out of that trade. Look, the couple ticks that I made on that last trade, looking pretty good about right now. Yeah, I trade every Sunday. I trade every night when the market opens. I don't know about tonight though. So I'll probably be in the water. That's going to irritate me a little bit. So I might try something risky tonight before I go surfing. So before the market's closed, I might end up putting a limit order out there. See if it gets hit. It'll be with micros though. Definitely be with micros. Mark's to make one more attempt. Hopefully it fails, Raj. Hopefully it fails. That's what I'm hoping for. I want to short it again. Yeah, I'm not looking to place 10,000 trades. Looking to be a little bit more selective with my trades. That's so loud. Sold some calls, taking some heat. Yeah, hey Adam, I sent it to the right email. Sent. Let's see. I sent it to the one where I put. You know what? Hold on. Hey Adam, I did not. I sent it back to myself. Oh man. All right, hold on. Let's try this again, Adam. Oh, thanks for saying something. Oh, that's funny. So he was like, ha ha. I was just kidding. I was just joking. All right, Adam, I just sent it to you. I think. Let's double check, make sure I sent it to the right person this time. You should get it. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna hurry up and wait. I'm not in a hurry. I don't have to rush anything here. We can just hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. Yeah, I want to see the market come down. Hopefully it happens. Received it. Hey, Adam, thanks for saying something. I was hoping you weren't going to catch it. I was like, oh, I'll get me a free 150K account. Nah, just kidding. Just kidding. J-Lo said, I didn't receive one. Hey, you just got to make sure your duck is fast. Have your duck well trained. Go ahead and take out all the other ducks in the race. I don't know. I feel like the market never goes down. It's impossible. It's a fairy tale. Those pullbacks that they used to talk about, I think those are just, fairy tales. Sit in the middle upward channel. Hey, Wild Deuces, to get into the duck race, first step, make sure you sign up to the email list down below. Not only that, make sure if you do win the duck race today, you can get the account, but also I have giveaways in the Wednesday video coming out, the Thursday video, and the Saturday video coming out. Then I'm going to give out a key phrase on the stream. Type that in. Nightbot's going to pick out some random winners, and then I'm going to pick out a few winners of people that I normally see in the chat, and then we're going to put them all in the duck race and see whose duck is the fastest. Number one gets a pick 150K or 50K Lucid account. Number two is going to get the other Lucid account that winner one did not choose. So, sell button's broken. Hey, they should label the sell button donation. Donation. It'd be pretty cool if I could change it from sell to donate. That'd be funny. You got the turbo duck. Let's go. Turbo duck to the rescue. So we'll have 2 accounts to give away. We'll do it here in a little bit. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to stream all the way until the close or not. Uh-oh, Trump's talking right now. All right, we almost have a deal. I'm sure he's saying something about that. Let's just go look. Trump, false to say U.S. and Iran stopped speaking. Trump continuously talking to Iran today. All right. Blah, 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 blah. So let's see. All right, are we gonna make it up there? What about the ES real quick? What is the ES? ES trying to go right back up there. ES failed to make all-time highs. Yeah, hey Raj, try to send me a chart. We'll see if we can get it. Let's see. Oh, hey Raj, you know what? I won't be able to. I'm not gonna be able. I can't get the screenshot tool. It's not gonna work. I don't think I'm gonna be able to screenshot it and share it because the way I have the computer set up. I don't think it's gonna work. Dang it. I forgot about that. I do got a 9 count over here on the NASDAQ. I don't know. I feel like we just want to go ahead and take out the highs again. See how close on the 30-minute chart NASDAQ is. Take out those highs. No, I didn't ditch you. I got cable issues right now. But I can't connect the camera. I broke the camera with all my beauty. So and I'm having a hard time being able to get the cables I need. I've walked up and down the whole friggin' town. I can't find it. Places that says they'll have it, they don't have it. People don't have a clue what I'm talking about. So yeah, with the way I got it set up now, it's just I can't get that to work. I can explain it more in a little bit, but yeah, hey T Coop, but the screenshot. So if I screenshot it on the computer I'm on now, it doesn't go into the stream. So every time I hit that keys, it does it on the current laptop. I'm streaming from my other computer at home. Is a problem. That's the problem I have. Yeah, I can't quite put your finger on it. I know. I've had been using anti-aging facial cream, and man, I feel like I lost a few years or gained a few years. Just depends on how you look at it. Hey, so where'd it go? Hey, Wild Deuce, what's your solution? I'm hoping to hear it. Jose says, can we just drop, please? I agree. Can we just drop it? The market's not allowed to go down anymore. Trump signed an executive order. We're not allowed to have any down days. Hook phone up to Let's View. I don't even know what that is. What is... Let's see what it is. It's a free cross-platform screen mirroring application that lets you. Hey, so here's the other question. So with that, can I also still have YouTube pulled up? Because I'm having to read the comments off my phone. I need to screenshot that. Look into that a little bit more. Do look into these ETFs. All right, we get a little rejection off that 9 count. Oh, hey, Adam. No, thank you for helping out. You guys probably don't know, but Adam just thanked me for that account. Thank you for helping out, Adam. That was very useful information. Do appreciate it. Thank you for always coming out and supporting the channel as well. So. Wildberries trades accounts. Oh, I'm going to screenshot this real quick. I'll screenshot. I'm going to review it after the stream. So here's what I'll do. Wild Deuces, when we go to pick winners in the race for the duck race, we will. Oh, you have a channel? I didn't even know it. Hold up. Let me go. I can't do it here yet. Dang it. I wonder. Hold on. I want to go see your channel. Let's go. Looky. Where'd that screen go? Oh, yeah, I put out more videos. They should get consistent. Put out videos. What about lives? No. Wait, was that the right one? Hold on. Oh, no, I clicked on the wrong one. Hold up. I think I clicked on the right one. Where was it? Keep messing up lives and taking them down. Hey, just leave them up. I mean, mess up is a mess up. Like, you learn from it. Let's see. Go to the channel. Let's make sure I get the right one. Oh, no, it was right. It says, yeah, 48 subs. Here, you're going to be 49. Hey, just gave you another one. No, hey, Raj, I ain't tried out scuba diving yet, but I may. I still need to walk down and the main chart with the Renko chart. So the chart on the left is a 1 minute. I'm looking at the regression channel primarily on this, along with the 9 count, and trade detector bubbles, and a little bit of delta divergence. I'm using the chart on my right for my order entry. So I like to see it when we're pushed away from the EMAs, because quite often, just like down here, push away from the EMAs, smacks back towards it. Push away from the EMAs up here, smacks back towards it. One time you had 2 subs. So we'll see. Right now it's 112. 112. Can we get it? Yeah, Renko charts can move very, very fast. But I like the Renko charts to find turning points or points to enter the market. When I say turning points, not the necessarily higher low of the day, but little scalp areas in the market where I can look to play it back the other way. We're just going to go back up, you stupid market. I want it to go down. Go down so I can get in. Or so I can short it. I really like backtesting, believe it or not. A lot of people hate it. I enjoy it. You learn a lot. So Learns a lot. You learn a lot from your mistakes too. A lot of people don't like to look at their mistakes. So always look for ways to improve. Hey, can you guys hear that loud truck going by? It is freaking loud. Loud for me. Wow, I can't believe you guys can't hear it. That is nuts. Huh. And motorcycles and everything else. A line chart? Oh boy. Some people trade on those mountain charts too, which is pretty insane. Which, I mean, look, if we went right here to data series, let's see if we can do it. There's a line chart right there, which you can find pretty good support and resistance off those areas. But the mountain chart, where's that at? I don't think it's that. Nope. Oh, right here, mountain. There's a mountain chart. Met a guy that used to try to tell me that was the best chart to use. I was like, you're off your rocker. Get out of here. All right, looks like we are trying to pull back here a little bit. Yeah, Wyckoff is good. I really like the Jesse Livermore book. Can't tell you how many times I listened to that on the audio. Every time I cut my yard, I'm always listening to that book. About 3.5 billion of Delta at 7620 SPX. It'll take a lot to get through it. Well, hopefully we don't get through it. Hopefully we come down. Down, down, down. Again, we had a lower high right here, smaller ABC pattern, which I did not take. Which I'm pretty proud of myself, how patient I've been. That's pretty good. Short term, we got starting to get oversold here. Green background. So Wild Deuces, if you're in here when we do the duck race, I'll throw you in the duck race. So we got ace trades and Wild Deuces guaranteed a spot in the duck race. Yeah, all the market is fear and greed. Fear and greed, that's it. Yeah, he was brilliant, but he also died. So every time he talks about the bucket shop, so if you ever listen to his book, talks about he couldn't make money in Wall Street at first, but he could make money in the bucket shops. I always think about the bucket shops as being prop firms. I don't know how my mind's kind of correlated the two, but it's a very, very good book, and a lot of principles still apply. That man was making some real money back in the day. How can you get a quack race? Well, we're going to get our key phrase here in a little bit. Not yet. We'll do it here in a little bit. Yeah, delayed info. That is nuts. And he said he always traded on market orders. That is nuts. Imagine telling your broker, yeah, hey, I want to go ahead and get in. All right, we'll let you know in a 15 minutes or a half hour what price you got in at. Oh, man, that would be tough. Hey, Frank, what's up? That was a little fall. I didn't participate in that one. I got the one earlier. A little piece of it, but yeah, I'm trying to size up. I'm a little bit nervous that we may try to take out these all-time highs up here. If we get more signs that we're going to go down further, I might try to play back down towards, let's see what price that actually is. Maybe back down towards these candle bodies. 333. Wow, that's 300 points lower. I wonder if I should do some micros towards that. and just be willing to hold it. That's an idea. That is an idea I think I might do, actually. MNQ. I am. So I'm going to go in that with some MNQ, knowing that I may hold it past the close. Maybe that'll be the trade that pushes me good at 6 o'clock. Yeah, 100 million in 1929. Hey, and think about how much $100 million was back then. I mean, right now it's still a lot of money, but back then, whew, man, he was rolling in it. So I'm going to try to take it all the way down here to 333. That's going to be my target. I'm not saying we're going to do it while I'm on stream. Maybe it'll be after stream. Maybe it'll be tonight or tomorrow before you get down there. So we'll see. Short term, we are oversold and seeing green background. What about ES? Okay, you're right. The ES. We need to come back in and fill in this area a little bit. So we have the structural breakout point 610 or 7610, 7606-ish. So we'll see. Let's see. So duplicating tab. That way we can at least peek in on the micro trade. I'm currently down $16 on those 2 micros I just put on. Hit your trailer. Well, hey, don't forget, I'm going to go ahead and close out that poll. We had a poll running. We're going to close out the poll. It looks like it's pretty evenly split. 51% said green. 49% said red. 144 of you guys voted. Down 32. Hey, see, Kim, you're chipping away at it. Chipping away at that loss. She'll get it back. You got this. You got it. Let's see if we can do that poll. Let's see. Raj says. Oops. No. Let me copy. Dang it. Stop it. All right, Raj, I'm trying to do your poll. Let's see. It's not gonna let me do it. There it goes. All right, Raj says NQ 32,000 or 28,000 by June 11th. What do you guys think? Let's see. What do you guys think? I just submitted the poll into the chat. Let's see. Dang it, I was trying to get short. Would not get me. Kept running away. Stupid market. Tried to get short. Would not feel me. So it's a bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. So no fill, no trade. Bummer. Yeah, Raj, I was on mute. Thanks. Man, you guys missed all the secret insight. No, the Renko chart is not 100 ticks. If you download the Ninja Renko, which I'm kind of curious, let me type this in the chat. Let's see if it works. Where's the chat at? There we go. We type in exclamation point Renko. All right, Nightbot should post a link where you can download it for free. Let's see if that link's working now. All right, oops, dang it. I'm trying to get Nightbots. Dang it. There we go. Oh yeah, so if you click that link, and what screen are we on? So where do I need to move this over here. I'm gonna show. Dang it! I'm gonna show you how to do this. All right, do that down there for you guys, and here we are. So to click on that Nightbot link, scroll right down here. Here's the Ninja Renko bars I'm using. You can download it for free. It's perfectly priced. It'll cost you nothing right there. That's the one I have installed. Now, once you have that installed, then you want the settings. If you want to mimic my settings on the NASDAQ, it's set at 6.3. 6.3. So if we go to data series, you can see the brick size is 6. Trend threshold is 3 right here. You select the bar type right here in the Ninja Renko bars under your data series once you've installed it. So no, it wasn't a code word. So if you type in that command, it'll always pop up that link. A lot of people are asking about it. What is it? How do I get it? So I put that in as a command. Nightbot will put out there for us. Well, it's not based on price. So like the 1 minute bar right here, we know this candle is going to close every 60 seconds. We can be on the same Renko bar for fractions of a second to hours at a time. So it's based on how much price has moved. Now, Jesse likes to use a little bit larger Renko bar. I think he said he's using it at 2010 now. He's liking. All right, so we're only up 68 points right now. ES is coming down here a little bit. Ah, Joker did it on me again. You stupid market. Hold on. One of the prop firms data jacked up. Let's see which one makes them come back again. Oh, hold on a second. Hold on. Hold on 1 second, guys. Sorry, they were trying to clean the room. I didn't want that. So it's not Lucid that caused it. Let's see. Is it the MFF one that's locking up? And it's funny, when it locks up, it's still lit up green. It just charts quit moving. It wasn't that one. Let's see if it's this one. Let's see. Let's see. Really need to upgrade to a new Ninja too. Congrats, Apple. What Apple do? Oh. Smoother price. Yeah, we'll smooth it out. Oh, it wasn't Take Profit Trader. Which one is I gotta be? Why should it be my live account data? That'd be funny. Oh. Still got Dow at 128. So hold on, let me see. I think the charts are moving. Oh yeah, charts are moving. All right, so we got it fixed. I think it was the Take Profit Trader or the Tradeify one that had it locked up, I think. Let's go check real quick on the Micro is up 50 bucks. Still. Key phrase at 11 p.m. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be on stream at 11 p.m. I don't know. Let's see. Where did the screen go? Make this a little bit smaller here. I don't want to close out this window. Oh, there we go. There's we go. Paul's at 11 a.m. opening price. We're trying to bounce back up here a little bit. We are below the lower regression channel at the moment. I don't know. It's different. It's a little bit slower most of the time, but you get a chance to see how the day has started to develop too. It's just different. Like even at night, night's a lot different. It's a lot slower. Same thing, just very, very slow. Last night we had some good moves though. If you guys were on the stream last night, you guys saw some of the good moves the market was giving out. So in New York, in the beginning, in the morning session, the markets move a lot faster. But faster doesn't necessarily mean better. So, we got to, think about that. How do you like to trade? That's really what it boils down to. What way best suits the way you like to trade? Do you like faster markets or do you like slower? I like faster markets myself, but not too fast. So hurry up and get there, but give me a chance to get in. Because you're on the West Coast? Yeah, so hey, so what I thought you meant, oh, you mean at night. Okay, you mean at night. Well, I've had to trade at night for the longest period of time because when I had a full-time job, I couldn't trade the way I wanted to, right? I had to keep looking over my shoulder, make sure boss man wasn't watching, trying to trade as I'm working at the same time. So, I've learned to trade Asia out of necessity. Now we do have the regression channel on the 1 minute slightly sloped downward. So maybe bounce back towards the center regression channel. Maybe we'll get a short, maybe. Says not breaking down. We might not. We'll see. But we might break down. You never know. Never ever know. Can it or can it not? I'd love to see a big flush down. Breaks the Bollinger Band again. We're going to all-time highs. We may. I mean, we've already hit all-time highs today. I feel like every day, new all-time high. New day, new all-time high. Oh, another day, another new all-time high. That's all we do. New all-time high after new all-time high. Now, hold on. I do want to go check the waves real quick. Let me look out the window. No, tide's not ready yet. Tide's not ready yet. So. You guys are stuck with me a little bit longer. Down to 30,605, then pop back up. Whoa. Hey, Mecca Neville, we're not talking about popping back up. I'm just teasing you. Just teasing. Now watch this little minus development area of the profile. Right up in this area. So if we look, it's going to really be anywhere from 15.75 to about 14.5. Let's see if we get a reaction there. If we flush straight through it, then we're going to be looking at that other area we've had marked off for quite a while. So we got to hurry up and see. Hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait and see. Do we flush through that or not? Dang it, JD. I was trying to read your comment. You deleted it. All right, regression channel still sloping downward. We didn't make it back to the middle line, so trying to be patient here. See, now we're only up 57 at the moment. Come back over and look at that micro trade. Micro trade now is up $128. And if you guys weren't on the stream earlier, we're talking about the target on that micro. I'm trying to go down towards these candle bodies about 333. Now, I'm not necessarily thinking we'll get there before the close today. I'm willing to hold this past the close. See if we hit it tonight, tomorrow, whatever the case may be. Because that will be a banger of a trade. That will, even if that trade does not hit till tomorrow. Right? If we look at that, that would be good for 300 points. That'd be $1,200. Just to put that in perspective, if that trade, if it makes it down to my target, it's gonna be at least $1,200. It's a big if. So that would be a heck of a good little start to tomorrow. So 30,540 target. Maybe for the day. I'm looking a little bit lower though. I want 333. Now, I'll probably front run 333. Probably go to get out in the 40s or maybe even low 50s. But where's VWAP at the moment? NASDAQ VWAP is at what, 563? And ES is at 7610. So 7610 on the ES is right within our area that we were talking about. All right, it comes right in that zone. VWAP on the ES is right here, right around 7610. So that makes a lot of sense. So now we have more than 1 point of interest at that same location. I like it. NASDAQ right now is up 54 points on the day. Yeah, let's go look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin was getting smoked earlier when we looked at it. It was down like 4,000, 4,100 or something like that. Let me see. Let me get TradingView pulled back up. Let's go look. Let's go take a gander at it. BTC, we got oil up, $1.46 still, but BTC. Bitcoin's off the low. Bitcoin is off the low. Was a little bit lower when we first got on stream. But look at the 4 hour. It does not look good. Same thing in daily. Daily's looking pretty ugly as well. And what about the VIX? Hey, VIX is up 1 cent. So all the indices are in the green. VIX is up 1 cent. And it's what, 138? So we have about 2.5 hours left before the market closes. So here goes the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's only up 43 now. Yeah, slowly moving towards VWAP. I think the ES is going to get it too, though, Raj. I think the ES is going to come down here, which all that's going to help out my micro trade. Now I'm up 177. Well, let's get it. Now, if we do get a quick flush and we don't quite make it to the target that I'm looking for down here at 333, which I didn't put that trade on thinking we're going to hit that target before I get off stream today or before today ends. But if we get a good chunk of that move, I may be inclined to just take that off and see if we get a bounce tonight in Asia and re-engage that same trade idea. That's a very real possibility. So we'll see. We shall see. Hey, Raj, you're in micros on the M&Q? M&Q? We're working on bar number 7 down by that lower regression channel. Hey, Raj, what's your target on your micros? Oh, so it hits view out for your first target. Then second deviation band to the downside. Nice. Hey, so, hey, Raj, what's the target on that second deviation band? It's hard for me to read it on my screen. I can't see it. Yeah, what price is that second deviation band? All right, working on bar number 8. I'm not so sure this is gonna apply to 9 count unless we start turning back down. 30,371. Hey, that's kind of in that same general vicinity. Do I dare look for another short? Yeah, back to opening price, maybe. Or do I wait to see if we can get a bigger retracement up first? Kind of torn there. I don't know. I don't know how I want to do this. Screw it. Let's go. All right, let's see if I can give the market a little donation here. Probably gonna regret that. Gotta close it. Gotta close it before it gets it. I'm gonna short the ES. Yeah, ES is now trying to put in a little doji-ish looking candle on the 30-minute. All right, big rip back up towards that center regression channel. Do I dare take another swing at it? We're coming up on 2 o'clock. We got about, what, 18 more minutes till 2 o'clock? Are we going to rip more? We may. The only time and price action will tell. No, I didn't participate in the Ninja Trader arena. How are you doing in it? Are you doing good or? All right, I took another swing at this again. We'll see if I regret this. I may end up regretting this. So we'll see. 302, $800 in profit. Hey, so is that live money or sim money? Yeah, when they trade it. I don't copy on all my trades, but when I do copy, I copy all the funded accounts at the same time. Wow, 10K people. Nice. Yeah, that's good that you're up there. Rank 302. That's a good job. Kind of want to see if we can go back down to this candle body right here on the 1 minute. The candle body low. So that'd be an opening price of about 615. So I'll probably just close that off if we start getting close to 615. Maybe. Yeah, we still got a little ways. We're not there yet. And we might not even get there. Maybe it's gonna try to go back up, get a late day rally. Hopefully it gets going back down. Not looking so hot at the moment. Goes much higher. I'm getting ready to hit close. Damn, it's a little bit late. I'm pushing that close button. A little bit late. I'm pushing the close button. So it got me. Last two trades, last two shorts did not work out in my favor. So NASDAQ's back up 72 for the day. I am going to be upset if I closed that trade out and it would not have stopped me out. I don't know if it would have or not. We'll give it one last shot. Yeah, I'm not gonna let Galway get me. I already get back too much on those last. That was 3 attempts on that. I'm good with that. Neither of them worked, so unfortunate. Unfortunate. Now we are up here at the upper regression channel. The only thing that would make me want to take another shot would be, 3 donations. Would be if we get a big trade detector bubble up there, but other than that, I'm not interested in it. I'll simply sit on my hands. Sit on my hands and wait. Hurry up and wait. Yeah, we're coming up on 2 o'clock now. Hey, so where's the opening price at? How far down is that? Down at 544. We're close, a little bit closer to all-time highs and session highs than we are towards that, it looks like. Yeah. Not gonna lie. Just want me to FOMO into it. I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. They can't make me. I hope. I got more patience than you. Yeah, sometimes, not always. It's not always the case. Hey, Raptor, I'll see you later. Hopefully the doctor's appointment goes well. You get good news. Come on, just get it. Just get it. Hurry up. Just do it. Please. Pretty, please. We saw the regression channel facing downward. And look, on that little push up, we don't have a whole lot of delta on that 1 minute chart. On that push up, not a whole lot of delta. We know the markets only like to go up. I feel like that's the only direction it goes anymore is up. Up, up, and up, up and away. How high can we go? Four-hour candle's about to start. I think mine is too. If we look, yeah, my candle's got a new 4-hour candle here in about 10 minutes. Man, I want to smack it. I want to smack it. Smack it. Didn't do it though. Got to hurry up and wait. We have not hit the VWAP yet. I still think we want to retest of that VWAP on the ES and the NASDAQ. So, do we get it? And a Delta pothole? Which I do want to see something real quick. Yeah, all the algos waiting for the other one to sell. You sell. No, you sell. No, you sell. You sell. I don't know, man. We might want to. We might be able to dip a little bit lower on the S&P. We might be able to get down there. Which in turns would probably push the NASDAQ down lower too. You keep not hearing me on the live? Maybe I'm not talking the whole time. I don't know. I was trying to figure something out. Think about what you think about. Let me make sure I'm not muted. Yeah, I'm not muted. So the NASDAQ up 74 points at the moment. Can we get 75? Can we get 70? Oh, there's 75, 76, 77. Yeah, buyers won't let it sell off yet. Yeah, the Muppet Mouth's always moving. He's just always talking to himself. It's not correlated with my voice. It would be pretty cool if I can get him to correlate with my voice. Like he only opens his mouth when I'm speaking. Yeah, everybody knows it only goes up. It's like, do we go up a little bit or do we go up a lot? I don't know. I just don't know. I was like trying to maybe sucker me into another short here. Let's see if I'm going to be a fool for this one. So look, 66.15 is this candle body low over here on the 1 minute chart, right here. Candle body opening price. So I want to see if we can target that area. What is the VWAP levels? Man, it's hard for me to read them. 565 on the NASDAQ. 7610 on the S&P. Lower high in place. Hey Raj, what time frame did you say that lower high is on? What chart are you looking at? So let's come down and hit my target. Very pleased. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Five, 1 minute and 5 minute. All right. I think we're gonna hit those VWAPs. Then the question is, do we bounce off the VWAP once we hit it? Do we bounce off it, or do we just slice right through it? All right, come on down. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Run down there and get my target, please, and thank you. Let's see. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. I got a little scalp going on this ES as well. We'll close that out. Close out the ES for about 250, 275, somewhere in that ballpark. So close that out. Let's see if we can get this NASDAQ to keep on going down. So even if the NASDAQ stops me out, I'll still be in a better spot than I was before I placed those two trades. Ideally, I don't want it to stop me out. I want it to go all the way down to target. That will put me at new session highs. Actually, if we go down a little bit more and I close it out, that would also put me at new session highs. So let's see, let's see, let's see. What's it gonna be? Just push, push, push. Kind of think I got that ES a little bit too early, but whatever. Whatever is what it is. Yeah, drop it. I'm with iTrades. Drop it. Drop it all the way down below 618. That way I know I'm filled. Drop it down to my micro trades targets. 333. I'd love that. I'll get all those too. Ooh, that'd be a fire day. Fire. Actually, I wonder. Let's see. Not quite. You're in shorts too. Hopefully we don't pop up here. We gotta watch that 1 minute. Do we end up putting in a higher low over here? Here's a low. Is this gonna be a higher low? Hopefully not. We have decent delta on that push down. So patiently waiting for VWAP. Yeah, hopefully we hurt and get there. So I like it if we can get down here a little bit more, which would also take out my target. But then we have more clear evidence. Now, if we break that 786 over here, that would basically tell me there's a good chance that we're going to, at minimum, retrace the whole entire move. So 786 at 617. I'm trying to get out 618. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm kind of curious. What is this ES looking like too? Yeah, it's trying to come down here a little bit. Which I already got on my ES trade, so that kind of stinks, but it is what it is. Is what it is. So. Just needs to hurry and get there. Hurry ups and do it. Do it. Now. Please. Always got to say please. Biggest fan number 20. Let's go. Let's go. Keep on pushing now. It hits target. That'll make up for, because I didn't take a full loss on any of those shorts I took. That one trade might make up for 3 of those losses. If not, it'll be close. It'll be close. The yes definitely would have pushed us over the edge. But I'd close this out right here and still be back at session highs. At new session highs at that. But I want to see if we can get a little bit more out of this. So please so many times it didn't help. That's because you didn't say pretty please. You have to say pretty please. If you don't, the market won't listen. Even if you do, it might not listen. But I've heard it helps. Man, don't you bounce here. Don't you do it. I was already counting my money. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Come on down. Come on down. Get it. Get it. There we go. Hey, we're working on bar number 9 right now. That's not good either. Hope we can go down there and complete that real quick. And I'm going to close it. We're close enough. I'm closing it. I'm worried about this being a 9 count, then we end up bouncing out. So I closed it. So they did put me at new session highs for the day. So I'm pretty happy about that. I still have the M&Q trade on we put on earlier. I put on earlier. I don't know what you guys did. You guys do you. Don't follow my trades. You'll get wrecked. But so I likes it. I likes it a lot. The market's being nice to me sometimes. So I see the Dow's up 166, S&P's up 4.25, NASDAQ's up 59, and the Russell's up 18.1. Russell's the strongest today. But the Russell has been the weakest the last couple days. Yeah, good thing I did close it. I hit right on 18. I don't think it would have filled me. Was that low 18? It looks like it. Yeah, I don't think it would have filled me. It would have ticked on my order. Yeah, pretty please that works. And even then, sometimes it can be a little finicky. There is no guarantees. The only guarantee is after you place a trade, your balance will be different. Might be higher, might be lower. Just sent me something. Oh, let's go see what T-Cube sent. What did T-Cube send? Oh, there it goes. Shortaholics Anonymous. Degens, not investors. Oh, that's funny. I like that. That's funny. All right, that 18 would have been filled now, though. 18 would have been filled. Let's see. So look, we're past the 786. And remember, the candle body that I kept taking shots at, it took me the 4th time to get it right, was all the way down here at 615. We have now hit that level. Do we go, we're past the 786. Do we go ahead and flush that low? Better make music, not trading. Oh, man. I wish I could bring over that image and show you guys what T-Cube sent, but I can't do it from here. It's pretty funny. Pretty funny. Funny. I'll see if we can get a little flushy flush. Or we get a bouncy bounce. Stop trading for the day. You know, trading, it's all about knowing when to stop as well, which I'm not good at. I'm good at stopping if I'm up, but if I'm down, not too good at it. Not too good. So look, with all this delta down here on that last push down with that higher low, there's a good chance we're going to come back and at minimum test out that low. Yeah, when to stop. I don't know. It's tough. Trading is not easy at all. So let's see if they can push. Push, 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 push. Hurry up and push. Yeah, could turn into a tilt day, no doubt. Tilt days show up very quick. Like, bam. Oh, crap. Where does that come from? And it keeps getting me. I keep trying to look down here at the clock on the computer. I'm like, oh, man, tide's probably almost where I need it. But it's not. It's not. So we still got just over or just under 2 hours before the market closes. We got two Lucid accounts. We'll be giving away 150K and a 50K Lucid account. We'll see who's going to be the winners today. Whoever duck wins the race gets to choose out of the 150 and 50K account. The second place gets the other account. So 7,600 still looking like key support. Wants to be the winner. It'll be training up that duck. Yeah, hey, so that's my problem. I always want to fix the red day. That's the problem I have. I got the greedy part under control where it's not like I got to just keep push. I want more. I've learned my lesson there. So I'm good. I'm good on that front. But if I'm down, I want to fix that red day. And that's, not really looking for the best trade setups at that point. You're just looking to get back green. So that's the tough part. But is what it is. So we shall see. You're working on your duck? Yeah, we'll see if Nightbot picks you. We shall see. Hey, I wonder if I could do. Hey, you guys can't see it though. We're going to have to figure it out. We'll figure it out. Look, we're at the upper regression channel. I'd love to see a trade detector bubble show up right here and then start coming down. I'll short it. But just not seeing that here at the moment. Yeah, make a great t-shirt. It really would. Pretty pleased with I bought with a cherry on top. Yeah, it never flushes. That's a fact. It never flushes. It only gives buying opportunities. I don't think I've placed any buy trades so far on stream today. All sells. Full port sell. Let's go. Can't stop, won't stop. NASDAQ back up 81. I'm kind of curious though. Dow at 191. SP up 6 points. Russell up 21.9. Woo. Cherry on the top. I need to work on that Nightbot. So I'm just watching the markets go up. I'm gonna get Nightbot situated, work on it, get ready for the infamous duck race. Let's see, giveaways. Do a key phrase. There we go. Bam. Uh-oh. I messed up. Where's it at? All right, I'm going to go ahead and close out that poll real quick. Let's see how you guys voted. 68% say 32,000. That means everybody's bullish. Or everybody's thinking bullish. Gotta get Mr. Duck Race up. We're not going to do it yet, but just getting it prepared. Just getting prepared. Race out the names. Bam. All right. Getting quacked up. We're going to do a duck race in a little bit. Not yet. Probably within a half hour, 45 minutes, we'll do it. And then I'm going to check the tides again and see if I'm getting ready to go back in the water. I do like this. We're working on a 9 count here. I think we're going to go down too low, though. So it might not produce a 9 count. We have the 8 count right here. Came into being overbought. You see the red background. Big delta spike. And then as we went up higher, you see the delta divergence. So we shall see. Gonna miss the duck race. Oh man. Hopefully not, DJ. Hopefully not. Oh, we did get a 9 count there. Look, we do got a 9 count. Do I dare? Let's see. What does the 30-minute look like? I don't know, man. I'm half tempted to take a short here. I just don't know if I want to. I do, but I don't. I think I'm going to wait. I'm going to hurry up and wait. I don't think I'm going to take it. Not yet. Not yet. So, NOS installed on the Duckster. Maybe I should take it. MNQ trade's almost back to break even. All right, I took a little swing at it. I bit. Wasn't sure if I wanted to, but oh, you guys know the screen. Wow, man, the whole building's shaking. I'm not looking for that bigger move. I'm probably gonna try to get out around 634-ish, the center regression channel, wherever that is. If and when we come back towards it. I'm just gonna get out. I'm gonna be happy with a little win. I'm not gonna force it here. Not gonna force it. Last thing I want to do is ruin my time. Uh-oh, Bitcoin. Let's go look at it. Let's go look at the Coinster. Let's go looky. What is Bitcoin telling us? I think Bitcoin's gonna break lower. Make it look easy. It's not easy. Trading is not easy at all. I struggle just like everybody else. Some days are easier than others. We do have the VIX down 17 cents. So if we look at the VIX, VIX has been coming back down. Oops. I want to minimize that. Try and get back to that screen. So. Yeah, don't die for no reason. Yeah, I do agree with that. Hey, JD, so here's a funny story. So that guy that worked as an institutional trader for in New York and then I think over in California somewhere, he then went to Coinbase and he worked there doing some compliance and things like that. But he said you won't believe all the funds that are basically just controlling Bitcoin now. So if all the funds own it, unless they dump it, Bitcoin's gonna have a hard time really having big moves down. So we did hit the center regression channel. Now the regression channel is flat, maybe a slight edge going up, but for the most part, it's pretty flat. Yeah, Bitcoin in there. Hey, he said that if he traded Bitcoin, he would not trade it with them as a former employee. So the fees are just ridiculous. So they came out with some kind of subscription plan, kind of lower the fees, but he said it's still way too high, in his opinion. Now, I don't know. I've never traded crypto, so I've traded Bitcoin futures less than 5 times. He did tell an interesting story. I was like, so what'd you used to do there? Like trades? He goes, no, actually there I did not trade. He said he did MSL compliance. And he said there was a guy wanting to invest or put $5 billion in there. So he had to do the research on the person and all that to make sure they're compliant. He had to go back and tell him, you can't do it. The guy's like 2 people away from Putin. You can't do it. And the other people are mad because they're wanting to get that $5 billion in there. He's like, we can't. The guy's 2 people away from Putin. So CL almost at 94. Let's go check that out real quick. That could be quite interesting in itself. So let me get Trading View pull back up. Yeah, look, you see the VIX still going down. Hey JD, I got crude oil at 93.70. I guess it is kind of. It's almost at 94. I'll give you that. What does crude oil look like on the 30 or 4 hour? 30 minute. Yeah, 30-minute chart has been going back up. Maybe gonna challenge yesterday's highs. Might be able to get a little bit more of a lift. If we can clear this area here, we already got a rejection at the low volume area. Can we come all the way up here to about 97.75? That's not gonna be good for us at the pump. Just saying. Just saying. So we'll see. We shall see. Yeah, it looks solid. Yeah, CL's in a little uptrend intraday. Yeah. We do have the regression channel right now sloping upward, but this 9 count down here worked out pretty good. 9 count up here could have produced a small little gain there as well. You know, obviously depending on where you got in and got out, but there's at least a potential for it. The 9 count didn't get ran over. That 9 count right up here at the high, that was a really good one. Sleepy duck. Sleepy duck. Let's go look at the ES real quick. What is the ES doing? Still just kind of hanging out that low volume node area we talked about. We clear that, we're going to 7610 to the downside. So we clear this little area, got a quick little vacuum down to 7610, 7606 area. So we'll have to wait and see. Hurry up and wait. SPY still 2 times 2x top. Hey JD, what do you mean by that? SPY still 2x top. Oh, let's go look. We gotta look at SPY. See if I can figure this out. Where'd you go? SPY. I think it just keeps grinding up. Another 9 count. Let's see if it gets busted or not. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. U.S. Transportation Department average gas price jumps 42% in May compared to 2025. Yeah. Microsoft's new quantum chip is aiming for a useful machine in 2029. All right. We're trying to come back down and see if this 9 count fails. The last 3 worked, though. I won't be surprised if we do bust it. I don't know that I want to short this, though. I think I kind of want to wait and see. So, do we hit VWAP yet? Let's go look. Yeah, we haven't hit VWAP yet. That's all the way down at 567. And the ES about 7610. So we haven't hit the VWAPs yet. Yet being the key word. Bigly. Let's see. And we're just chopping around down here at the moment. Chop City. Chopperooski. Damn, we gotta hurry up and wait. I'm not in a hurry. Let's see. Good thing I didn't short it. Say no deal. Yeah, he's not going to do it. They're trying to do everything to avoid any further conflict. So I don't think he's going to do it. So hold on a second. I'm going to get myself a drink. So give me one moment. All right, I'm back. What did I miss? Did we crash yet or not? Obviously not. Y'all trying to go back down though. Yeah. I had a scare yesterday. Man, oh man, oh man. Thankfully it was just a scare. Man, oh man. Drink some water out of a cooler, and I was like, afterwards, I was like, uh-oh, I might have messed up. I might have made a boo-boo. But I seem to be fine today. And we're trying to come back down here. Do I want to short this? And they got the uranium from Pakistan. I don't know if they got the uranium from Pakistan. They might have got the nuke, but so if they have one or two, we have a lot more. So I don't think that would work out well. Trying to crash. Oil is pumping. Isn't like, yeah, it is. In Orlando, it is. It's just like that. Just like that. That, or it could be there was ladies cooking some. They had, you can get pork or chicken, like shish kebabs. So and so I was worried that could be doing it too. No, hey, it's really good though. Hey, I'm a picky eater. But I was like, man, every time I've ever been here, I'm like, smells really good. But I was like, for whatever reason, I was feeling adventurous. I tried it. I was like, man, that was amazing. I had it for lunch. I went back, got it for dinner. Had it again yesterday for lunch, and then drank the water. I wasn't feeling so hot. So no, not yet. Not yet. I haven't had no tacos yet. I almost got some fish tacos, but I didn't do it. I wasn't feeling so hot yesterday. I was like, hopefully I didn't make a boo-boo. We're trying to rally up. This 9 count right here is still working. So look, last 4, 9 count, boom, down work. 9 count up work. 9 count down work. 9 count up. Could have produced something. So bottom of the hour. Are we going to pump into the close new all-time highs? Dow's up 226. Russell's up 22.2. No pullbacks allowed. We's only going higher. So I don't know. I didn't see any news release. Not to say there wasn't one. I don't see anything out. So just the fact that the market wants to go higher. And higher. And higher. And higher. So you can't stop, won't stop. Markets only go up. Let's see. Yeah, channel sloping back up again. Let's think about this real quick. If we if we look at this on the 5-minute, we do have an FEG up here. We have a bigger one all the way down here, which I kind of like, right around that 520-ish area. One above us is going to be about 680, though. We're a little bit closer to that one. This could also be a bear flag on the 5-minute. Here's the flag pole. Here's the little flag. Can we break down? Let's wait and see. We're not there yet. Trying to get a little 1-2 reversal, bearish engulfing-ish looking candle. Yeah, the market will definitely do whatever it wants, whenever it wants. Yeah, when Trump's sleeping. Yeah, I might be getting ready to pump this thing up a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. YM's high of the day. Nice. Hey, is that also all-time highs, Frank, on the YM? Why did it change the oil? Hey, Jesse, they're not using volume for the FEGs. They're just using purely price. There's no volume calculations in it. So lost 7 pounds in 5 days. That's funny. Let's see. We're gonna get a little move back down. We get everybody thinking we're just gonna run the highs. We're actually gonna pull back here a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, I do use Bookmap. I just don't have it on at the moment, just because of my current trade setup. I'm missing cables and everything else. So I did just take a swing at this. Swinging. Is it going to smack me in the face? We'll see. 627 is the lower regression channel. I'm just going to close it. So as we come back down to a lower channel, I just simply closed it out. Yeah, but hey, Jesse, I don't think that's the true interpret. I don't think that's how FEGs are the true way they were shown to everybody. I think people just made spinoffs of it because it's truly just the price action of the candle, no volume included. Sunken chest, no beauty, no booty. Oh man, that's funny. I still think the ES is trying to make it down to 76.10. Can we get down there? We may not. Maybe, maybe not. Interesting. We shall see. My impulse wanted me to short this again, but I did not do it. So my impulse like short it again, but I didn't do it. I held off. I'm at session highs. So I feel pretty calm, cool, and collective today. You talking about the micro trade, Jerry? The micro trade I still have on. I'm going to leave this on all the way past the close. I'm not anticipating this to hit target while we're on stream. And I'm actually going to end up setting my target down a ways. This is 4-hour target. Down here at these candle bodies. Right here, right around 333. I'll probably front run that 333 area, but this is my target area. I'm just looking to front run it a little bit. And if that trade hits, I'll be good for about $1,200. So that'd be fantastic. That would be great. If that trade hits tonight, I don't even have to trade tomorrow. I could be like, life is good. No, that's not on a prop firm. You can't hold a prop firm overnight. So, unfortunately. Now you can, when I say overnight, past prop firms, you have to be out before the 5 o'clock close. Some of them you have to be out by 4:10, as early as 4:10. Some of them allow us to be in until 4:59. But then we can open up a trade at 6 o'clock at night, and you can leave that trade on all night long if you're looking for a big target. No, hey, Jerry, not 12,000, 1,200. If I said 12,000, I didn't mean that. 1,200. 12,000 would be great, but too bad that's not it. Come on down here, Mr. ES. Let's go ahead and go down to 76.10. Get that target. Bink. We have the NASDAQ trying to break this low over here. So we shall see. I think I'm going to switch it up. I got an idea I'm going to try tonight. Oh, short term, we're starting to get oversold. You can see the green background. I'm not looking to fade this back up. Because you guys are wondering if I'm looking to counter trend this up. I'm not. I still have the bigger picture target in my head at 333. So I'm still favored more on the sell side of the markets. Right now we have the NASDAQ only up 40 points. And we can see, wow, Dow's still up 258. SP is up 125, $1.25. And NASDAQ now's up 36 points. Russell up 22. So Russell's up 0.76%, followed by the Dow being up 0.51. Very interesting. We'll see if they can keep it going on down or not. Been holding that same short, nice. Hey, so if we look at the VWAP, how close are we to VWAP now? VWAP is at, you know what? I'd be better off just doing this. Instead of trying to read the other screen. Where's that other setting? Right here. Look, now we should be able to see the VWAP. All right, here's the VWAP right down here at 568. 568 is that VWAP on the NASDAQ. So can we make it down there? It's a logical target. I don't want to be short when we're below the regression channel, even if we are going to go lower. I'd rather wait for a little bit more of a pop back up into the regression channel before shorting. And then we'll see what happens. We shall see. I trade that's running away from you. That's like, oh, we got too many traders trying to take us down the VWAP. We can't do it. We cannot do it. You can't let them win. No winning allowed. Oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, playing hard to catch. Ooh, got a trade detector bubble. Yeah, I see that trade detector bubble. Yeah, 590 is VWAP. Hey, Frank, are you using from 6 o'clock open? And if so, make sure you have it set to every tick calculations, not bar close. Yeah, mine's from the 6 o'clock open last night. This is tempting me to want to buy it. Do I dare try it? I don't know. I really like that trade detector bubble right there. I think I'm gonna hold off. I really want it. I really want to do it, but not going to. I think I'm gonna hold off. I think I could get something out of this for a little bit of a pop, couple, 5-10 points, something like that, maybe even more, but I'm not gonna do it. No, so on my other screen that you guys can't see, I do have a VWAP. I have a VWAP from the 6 o'clock open at night, and then I have a VWAP that also starts at the New York session open. JD's like, sell it. Now, if we do get below that bubble, you have the buyers then trapped, and we could get another little leg down. Right now, we're at the top of that bubble, so kind of think it's going to push up a little bit more. I'm just not willing to take the trade. So I'm going to sit on my hands. I thought about it. I was thinking about doing it, but so I'll wait. Hurry up and wait. Let's see. What's it gonna do? We start getting below it. It might be a little short, but I don't know. I think I still want to wait. I don't think I trust it where we're at right now. I think I'd rather hurry up and wait. Look at the higher time frame. I've been looking at the 30-minute chart. 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. I think we want to come down here to these candle bodies somewhere around 333. That's why I have the micro trade on still. I'm gonna hold that thing overnight too. I'm just saying, I think I get a little scalp long up here. Bink. 5 or 10 points. So from about, I don't know, 16, 17 up to what? 23-ish? 24? $26, $27 maybe? Show 4-hour again. There's a 4-hour NASDAQ, Paul. Let me get that line out of the way. In the data series, I have it checked for EOD break. So my 4-hour candle starts at 6 o'clock. So look, there's 26, 27. So look, I was right on the general direction. Go up and get 5 or 10 points. I just didn't take it. Hit 265. Where do you get 265 from, Paul? Saying up here, maybe. We didn't hit that yet. Oh yeah, we didn't hit it. Yeah, this week or next week. We got to the end of the next week. We got to the end of this week to hit 349, which if we don't hit it in the first 2 weeks, quite often it's a while before we come back and hit it. So I'm kind of curious. I'm gonna look at the waves. Let's go look at the tides. All right. Not ready yet. So could have got a little something out of it. Could have, would have, should have. I did not take it. So back up 60 points on the day. 61. Let's see if we rip into the close or not. We may. Yeah, higher for long. That's all the market does is go up every day, day in, day out. Up, up, up and away. I am kind of curious. So now we have the NASDAQ or the Dow up 253 points. We're also up 23.4. We look over here. Let's just go look. Look at YM real quick. YM pushing up. You see it right here near session highs. This 30-minute candle, we actually made session highs. Look at IWM real quick. It's not quite at session highs, but it's up there. The VIX is down 23 cents. VIX keeps grinding a little bit lower. So, what do we have for news tomorrow? What is coming out for news? Let me go see. Mr. Forex Factory, what do you got for news? So tomorrow we have ADP numbers coming out at 8:15. ISM at 8 o'clock or at 10 o'clock. The Cent speaks at 10 o'clock tomorrow as well. And we have the beige book. That doesn't usually move the markets at 2 p.m. So, not a whole lot. Thought about shorting this. I'll look at these candles right here. Wick. Thought about shorting it. I didn't take advantage of it. I hesitated. I took too long thinking about it. So now we already started moving down. I'm not as excited about it. So, but in the meantime, let's do this. Oh, this could be tough. I wonder if I can actually do that. Nope. Oops. Not quite. Oops. All right, let's go ahead and do the duck race. Let's go ahead and get the duck race underway. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to drop the code in. I'm going to drop the code in maybe 3. Uh-oh. What happened to the code? Uh-oh. We'll drop the code in 3, 2, 1. Beep. Code's been dropped. I gotta get back to the screen now. There we go. All right. We got the first winner. Or the first contestant in the duck race. All right, I gotta keep this. Is gonna be a pain in the booty. Pain in the booty. Where did it go? Where's the ducks at? All right. Paste. All right. Go back to the other screen. All right, let's go ahead and get the second contestant of the duck race. All right, there we go. Paste. Let's get the next contestant of the duck race. Bam. Robert, you have a spot in the duck race. Mark is like, oh, Mike's gonna do duck race. All right, let's go ahead and start dropping. Let's see. All right, you have a spot, elevated life. You have a spot in the duck race. All right, next one. Jay Loves. You have a spot in the duck race. Paste. All right, next one. Beep. All right, you have a spot in duck race. Remember, if you do win and you're not signed up to the email list down below, you'll simply forfeit. So we don't want that. So make sure you are signed up to the email list and your email is confirmed. Otherwise, you will forfeit. All right, there we go. Copy. Paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, Nightbot's gonna pick out 3 more people. Then I'm gonna select a few people myself. And we're gonna see who's got the fastest duck out there. Spot 1 and spot 2 will both be winners. One of them, winner 1 gets to pick. Do they want a 50K or 150K account, Lucid account? The second winner gets the other account. All right, you have a spot in the duck race. Paste. Paste. All right. All right. Next one is going to be, I think it's the last one. Thomas, you have a spot in the duck race. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to pick out a few people that I see in the chat on a regular basis. So you guys can quit typing the key phrase. Nightbot is no longer going to be picking any winners. All right. So typing the key phrase no longer helps. Oh, Ace Trade, you have a spot? Where's it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Copy. So Ace Trades, you're in the duck race. Let's see. Ooh, that's a big move. I say big, but it's almost top of the hour. All right, let's see. Who else? Captain Rex, I'll give you a spot in the duck race. Copy. Who else is going to be selected? Benjamin, I'll give you a spot in the duck race. And Tris, I'm going to give you a spot in the duck race. Oops. There's one more I was looking for, I think. Let's see if they're still in here. Oops. Let's see if I still find them as I'm scrolling. Oh, there it is. Wild Deuce. That's what I was looking for. Bam. All right. Let's see who's got what it takes. Oops. Hold on a second. Let's see who's got what it takes to win. We're going to be giving out 2 Lucid accounts. So, let's see. Done. We do the 1 minute sprint. We're going to set it. And I got to figure out how to get this. You guys got to bear with me for a moment. All right, moving on here. And then we come back over here. All right, let's see who's got what it takes. On your marks. Remember, if you win and you're not on the email list, you're not signed up, your email is not confirmed, you'll simply forfeit. All right, on your marks. Get set. Beep. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. Get it. Who is in the lead? The Elevated Life is leading right now. That might not be good. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. We'll see. Full send. Hopefully your duck doesn't get tired too quick. So. Oh, let's see. Uh-oh. Is it going to be Captain Rex, the unicorn? Oh, who got number 2? Number 2 is going to be close. Number 2 is going to be close. That's funny. Number 2 is going to be close. All right, ripping back up. We had Dow or NASDAQ up 78. Let me get the email pulled up real quick. We're going to see who they picked for the tie. Second spot did look pretty darn close. Oops. Hey, so Captain Rex, what's the first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters. I don't know who second place is yet. We haven't clicked on it to look. This one reads your duck. Surfing is pretty good today. About to go back out. Biggest set was, there's like 1 or 2 sets of maybe 10 foot. The rest of the waves were about 6 to 8 foot. I got worked on one of them pretty good. I took the smaller wave of the set, got barreled, and got worked. It got me and twisted me over, and then the big old 10-foot set came through. It really messed me up pretty good, but hey, Captain Rex, first 3 letters of your email, please. A pretty good move, all the way back up to being short-term overbought. LV underscore. Let's see. Looks like LV. LV underscore. Let's see. All right, I think I found you. It is. It is. Wow. All right. Copy. I'm gonna send you an email real quick with the code. Oh, hey, real quick. I forgot to ask. Which account do you want? Do you want the 150K account? Or do you want the 50K account? All right. All right, let me get the code real quick. This one. Copy. Hey, now to use the code where you normally would put in a promo code, when you type in this code, it should zero out the balance. All right, I just sent you over the code. All right, now here's the $1 million question. Who was number 2? Wow, look at it. We're ripping. We's ripping. Wow, yes, back up 8.5. Wow, we're getting it. All right, let's go see. We got to see. Let's see who. Where'd the ducks go? There we go. All right, let's go see who the second place duck was. Thomas. Thomas was the second place duck. All right. Thomas, you are the winner of the second place duck. Nice. Now, was that Thomas the same? Hey, Thomas, are you still in here? I want to make sure it's the same Thomas that I normally see in the chat. Before I go send the email with a code. He left, you think? Not here. I'm pretty sure it's the same one, though. Let me go check. He's in here every day, so I'm not going to. Are you guys sure he's not in here? Let me go look. Let me go just verify real quick. Oops, I didn't do it. No. Huh. All right. So, hey, yeah, Thomas left. He missed it. All right. So let's just double check that. Simple Trader. All right, you're the second winner now. All right. So now let's go ahead and see this. What's the first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters of your email. SCU. SCU. I am. Oh, I think I found you. Let's see. Yep. Found yous. All right, let's copy. So I'm going to shoot you an email here in just a second. Compose. It's going to be from a different email address. So just title will be winner. All right. Yeah, we gave away the first place winner got a 150K account. Second place get a 50K account. And I gave away another 150K account to Adam for helping us out, letting us find out about that feature. So look, we would not have been able to do that in the past. Figure out who the third place was. So that's pretty good. Pretty good. All right. Code has been sent. Bam. Code's been sent. So. Yeah, now bring home bacon. Nice. So we gave away a 150K account. Actually, we gave away 250K accounts and a 50K account today on stream. So I just now sent it. As long as you had the right email signed up. I sent it to the email you have signed up under your name. It's going to come from a different email, so check your spam. So I can't race everybody at one time. It'd be so difficult for me to do. Like we did a 100 duck race, and that was just ridiculous. Oh, you got it? All right, perfect. Perfect. I was just say I can resend it if you need me to, but 105, 106. So really, NASDAQ, Russell's going up too. Very interesting. No ads and smoother? Huh. Yeah, I'll check it out. I will check it out. So we got about 50 minutes until the market closes. So look, that trade detector bubble right down here at the bottom, where I was thinking about going long, I didn't. Looks in hindsight, I should have went long. Should have went long there. Talked about possibly going long. I didn't do it. Did not pull the trigger. No, hey, I don't have any guys. Just show up to the stream, ask questions. I'm more than happy to answer all your questions on stream. And welcome, YK. I have a lot of YouTube videos. Are we going to keep on pushing? We might. We might. We're at the upper, we're above the upper regression channel at the moment. Yeah, I primarily trade just futures. At least on the stream. But usually trade the NASDAQ and S&P. Every now and then I'll do a gold trade or even a crude oil trade. I got a feeling they're going to rip this thing into a close. Are we going to make it all the way back up to all-time highs? Kind of looking like it. ES never made it down to the target zone yet. So this would be a potential pattern for tonight. Depending on how much more we rip. But if we just kind of stay up in this area, we just kind of go up here and go sideways into the close. Could have a little ABC pattern down that would probably take us into that zone. So... No, last night I streamed that night. Last night we streamed for a little bit last night until about 10:30. I may stream tonight. I don't know yet. Depends on how long I stay in the water when I go back out. I'm gonna be going out surfing here in just a little bit. Went once in the morning, gonna go once. Hey, so one of the waves I was on today, the watch has an app that measures how far your wave was, how fast it was, all that, how long you rode it for. It said I went 31.9 miles per hour on the wave. That was my top speed on the wave. I was like, wow, I was getting it. So I was getting on that one wave. And the rest of the waves for the day was somewhere between 17 and 20 miles per hour. So that one wave was, I was getting it. I think that was one of the bigger sets though, but the scary part's when all the water comes down on you and pushes you underwater and you get put in the washing machine. It was funny. Not funny. I mean, it's funny now, but so I fell one time this morning. And when I fell, it kind of knocked the air out of me. And I sucked in a little bit of water. I'm trying to choke, trying to cough it out. I'm getting spun underwater in the washing machine. Oh, that wasn't fun. I started to get a little bit nervous on that one. Held me under for a little bit. No, I got stung by 2 jellyfish on 2 different days. I've seen a couple dark shadows, but I haven't seen any fins. I've seen a pretty good sized fish. Something was chasing it. I paddled for a wave. I was looking to the left to catch the wave to take off that way. I see a big old fish in there, and something big was behind it, but I don't know if it's just a bigger fish. I have no idea. I could just see like the front of it. I didn't see any fins stick up out of the water or nothing like that. So that was good. No, water's not crystal clear. So I've surfed a lot of river mouths recently. No, hey Jesse, I didn't see a dolphin or anything. I didn't see any water animal like that. So your dad got stung by a stingray? Ugh. Yeah, Megalodon. If I ever seen a Megalodon or a great white, I'd die of a heart attack before it ever got me. So good times, good times, good times. I'm down here in Costa Rica at the moment. So yeah, I'm having a blast. Hey Eric, I really enjoy the exercise, and believe it or not, I think it's helped me trade a little bit better too. In terms of, look how patient I've been this afternoon. I haven't been forcing trades. It's calmed me down quite a bit. I think because I'm not all stressed out. I think the ocean has a way of doing that. But and when you have a fear of, you know, dying after being held underwater for so long, you know, what's important kind of gets shifted. Every little tick in the market isn't so important at that point. So your priorities kind of shift around a little bit. But I think on Friday, waves are supposed to get back to 10 to 15 feet at some of the breaks. Some of the breaks will be 8 to 10 foot. Some will be 10 to 15 feet. It was 10 to 15 foot on Sunday and Monday as well, I think. And I'm not a fan of that big of a wave, just to be clear. Well, no, hey, Eric, I had plenty of time to overtrade today, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if there's a tropical storm coming or not. I'm not. I have no idea. No idea. So we shall see. I would like one more trade, but if I don't get it, I don't get it. I'm not going to force it. It's not worth it. But I'd hope to get one more trade. But like I said, we'll see. If it comes to me, it comes to me. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Wasn't meant to be. This week can be one big red candle. I don't know. It's not looking that way yet. All we do is go up, 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 up and away. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I'm a little bit tired of it. I can't wait to go and talk to the other guy. See what he thinks about the market today. And he was going to 36,000. Yeah, me. Can't rule that out. That's for sure. I mean, it doesn't pull back. All it does is go higher. All day, every day. So. Nah, we haven't had really. Hey, Jesse, you can't even make the case we've had big down moves. Come on. Come on, Jesse. Let's just go look at the SPY on a daily time frame. Show me where the big pullbacks have been. This is the biggest pullback we've had. Okay, so let's just put this in perspective. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see. So we rallied up 20%. All right. Within that rally, the biggest pullback that we've gotten is about 2%. That's not much. Again, the VIX is getting down to these lower levels. Like, we'll see if we're going to be prone to volatility spike at some point. We got jobs numbers coming out on Friday. So don't ask how you know. I'm assuming you read a book about it, or you've seen it online, Jesse. Check the core 1 minute. What is that? Hey, what is core? Or is it car? Hold on. Yeah, I can't read that. I think it's core. Is it core or car? I can't see it. Hey, Jesse, is that a stock? Oh, correlation index. Yeah, Paul, you can call me. You can call me. PSPX also. Look, NASDAQ's still trying to push. ES probably trying to push. Trying to push. Push, 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 push. Stupid market. Yeah, I don't know if I should even take another trade, to be honest with you. Yeah, sometimes it's hard, Paul. When you're trying to focus on getting every single little bit. That last little bit's the hardest to get. So I don't know. I'm not really a fan of this. And now the problem comes as we get closer to the closing bell. The problem then becomes, if I take a losing trade, I don't have as much time to get it back. So I think I'm just going to stop trading. I don't think I'm going to trade anymore. Notice I said think. Oh, there's butterflies all over the place. I got a picture. Actually, I think I sent Jesse the video. I was walking down the street to go get something to eat, and there's a monkey went walking across the road. It was pretty neat. Hey, Kim, good day. But with that being said, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the stream here. Because I think I'm going to go back in the water pretty soon. That way it gets me away from not trading anymore. I still got the micro trade on. I'm going to let this baby eat. I am going to put a target in down here. I'm going to front run that 333 level. And that's what it's going to be. We'll see how it shakes out. Tomorrow I'll share with you guys how that trade worked out. And, you know, if I'm adding to it anymore, which I will. I only got 2 micros on it right now. I'm willing to add to it. So we shall see. So with that being said, I'm out of here. Have a good day. Thank you, everybody, for showing up. And we do have more accounts we are going to be giving away. All right, guys. Take care.